Here is a really smart way to make money with Chat GPT, and I'm going to show you how others do this to make up to $62,000 a month. I was actually shocked to find out that there are channels on YouTube that publish videos like this one and like this one here that get millions and millions of views, and they are faceless videos. And some of these channels are making crazy amounts of money and getting crazy amounts of views. Look at this. Estimated monthly earnings up to $62.8 thousand per month, getting hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views every single day. Look at this one here. The creator of the video does not appear in any of these videos, and all of the content and the footage that those channels use in those videos is available for you to use as well. So there is literally nothing stopping you from making these exact types of videos and starting to make money from those videos starting today. I'm going to show you how to do all of this using a semi-automated way with a powerful tool called Chat GPT. Let's do this. Step one of the process is to find a niche that allows you to make faceless videos and that has that type of footage available. A couple of good niche ideas for you to start with is a travel niche, so a niche that covers destinations. If you look at any of the channels that publish top 10 type of travel videos, you will see that they use mostly footage in which nobody appears, and that footage is also available for you to reuse as well. I'm going to show you how in just a moment. The second idea for such a channel is an exercise type channel. You will also find a ton of exercise channels that are publishing videos like this one here. You can see that basically they're just using standard stock footage that you can use as well. I'm going to show you how to find that footage in a moment. For the purposes of today's video, let's take the travel niche as the example. Step two of the process is to find keywords and ideas for your videos. And one of the ways to do this is to type in any search related to your niche into YouTube search, for example, best beaches in the world, and then take a look at some of the channels that are publishing content in this niche. So you could go into Turopia and open their videos and go to the video tab and then sort by most popular, and that will display the most popular videos first. So you can see that the videos about, for example, 25 greatest natural wonders of the world has got 19 million views in 1 year. 25 best places to visit in Europe, 9.6 million views in the past 3 years. So this way you can sort by the most popular topics and you can create a better or a different version of these same videos. Here is another channel, Mojo Travels. Again, if we sort by popular, we can see here are top 10 reasons to visit Hawaii, top 10 most scenic routes on a Trans-America road trip, etc. These are all good ideas for you to replicate in your video. A second way to find keywords and ideas for your videos is to use the YouTube search bar. If you type in best beaches in and then put in your cursor, you will see all of these suggestions that are coming up, and these are the most popular things that people are searching for on YouTube. So these are real people doing real searches on YouTube. So this is a very, very powerful and important way to find keywords and topics for your videos. For the purposes of this video today, how about we go with this topic, top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. This is a common search term. If we type in most beautiful cities, okay, we can see that this actually is a very common kind of sub niche within the travel industry. Most beautiful cities in the world, most beautiful cities in Europe, in Africa, in the USA, etc. You can create videos on all of these because people are searching for them all the time. And let's go ahead and create a video like this, top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. Step 3 is to create your YouTube video script and create your voiceover. To do that, go to chat.openai.com and create an account on Chat GPT. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up. You may from time to time see notifications saying that right now there is a high volume of applications. So in that case, just go and wait a couple of hours and you might have to sign up later. But for now, looks like this is allowing us to create the account, and it's been fine for quite a few days now, so hopefully you won't have any problems. Once you're inside Chat GPT, you can interact with it, and there is like 1,000 different ways that you can use Chat GPT. I'm discovering more every single day. By the way, if you guys want me to make a separate video on all the different ways to make money with Chat GPT, drop me a comment below. I'm discovering new ways all the time, and it's a super exciting tool. But for this video today, let's just focus on how to write YouTube scripts using Chat GPT. So you can give it commands, and the command that I'm going to give to Chat GPT now is here at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to write me a script for a 9-minute YouTube video about top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. and I'm gonna hit enter, and ChatGPT has gone to work and it's writing me a full video script. Look at this, it's even putting the marks of approximately how long each of the parts is going to take. All right, so we've got our script. You can see that it's ended up actually being 4 minutes and 54 seconds long. And if you're finding that the output is a little bit short, like it is in this case, then just give it a command to expand it. So here I've written, make it 1200 words, and now ChatGPT will go ahead and rewrite it and expand it to make it a little bit longer. So see how now we've got 2 pretty long paragraphs about Venice, Italy. In the original text, it was just 1 short paragraph. So this way, basically, you've given the command to ChatGPT to expand what it's already written, and it's going to bring in a bit of additional information. Now, if you see it stop like this, it just stops writing. You need to type in a command of continue this, and then ChatGPT will continue writing. It just sort of runs out of tokens in the back end. So type in continue this and it will continue writing. See how it's now just picked up from that point on, and it'll continue writing for you. All right, so just like this, in a couple of minutes, we've got a script for an awesome YouTube video, and that script is about 1200 words long, which basically means it's about 9 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to record the voiceover, and to do that, you can just use your mobile phone because they normally have pretty good microphones and pretty good recording quality of audio. So just read this script out, and to make it extra unique, I highly recommend that you reword every single sentence a tiny bit, so you don't just repeat what ChatGPT has told you, but you actually say it in your own words. For example, instead of saying starting off, our list is a picturesque city of Venice, famous for its intricate network of canals and gondolas, what you might say is that number 10 on the list is the city of Venice in Italy, and it's really famous for its canals and gondolas. So just change it a little bit to make it unique. Record the whole script into your mobile phone or into your microphone on your desktop computer and save the output audio file. Step 4 is to create your actual video. To do that, go into canva.com, and you can absolutely use just the free plan of canva.com for this purpose. Once you're inside canva.com dashboard, click on create design and then search YouTube video and choose this YouTube video 1920 by 1080. Next, go to the left hand side, and where it says uploads, go and upload your audio of your voiceover so that you can edit it and clean it up, and it'll be at the bottom of your editor. After that, you can start putting together your video. So to get an idea on how to structure a video, just go to the video that you're kind of trying to get some ideas from. And for us, it was this one, top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. So we can scroll to the start and see how they have structured the opening probably 30 seconds or so of their video. So they just got a bit of footage of the different cities that they're covering in the video. So we can absolutely do the same. For the part of the audio where you're reading out your intro script, just put in the footage of a couple of cities that you're going to cover. So for example, if we grab a couple of cities such as Prague in Czech Republic and Santorini in Greece, we can go over here, and just at that very start, we will drop those couple of videos. So let's go to elements, and then here we're going to search Santorini, Greece. You can now see here under videos, we'll expand to see all, and I want to filter out only free videos, unless you've of course got a premium plan, but we're just working with a free plan here. Apply the filters, and here is all the amazing footage of Santorini, Greece. We can choose one of these bits of footage. For example, let's take this one and see what it looks like. Okay, so there's like a nice panning of it, so this will work really well. So if the opening part of your script is, let's say, 20 seconds, then you might want to make 7 seconds of this bit of footage, and then let's add Prague, Czech Republic. So we'll do the same, just grab about 10-13 seconds worth of that and drag and drop that over here, and just synchronize it to make sure that it works well with the opening of your script. If it's a little bit too long, you can cut off the end of the clip or the start of the clip, just like that, and make it just the right length. You might also want to add a title. So to add the title, go into text, and you can use any of these bits of text on the left hand side. If you decide to use this, you can just drag and drop that over here. Let's make it a little bit smaller, and we might want to put some underlying text. So let's go into elements and look for a box. Perhaps we can grab this box over here, and let's just overlay all of that together like this. Okay, and let's make this box kind of centered. And we can now rewrite it. We can say top 10 here at the top and just make it a little bit smaller to fit in. And then here we can write most beautiful cities. Okay, so something like this. You can of course play with the colors and the positioning. I'm not going to take up too much time, but Canva provides all of the tools to make it look amazing. All right, and just to show you what we've done in literally 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to play this. Okay, so we've got that footage of Santorini, then that nice fade out effect and fade in effect of the title. Okay, and in the background, of course, you're gonna have your voice reading the introduction script that you just recorded. Okay, so then you would go into Venice, Italy, Paris, France, and the exact same way, just create a new page here in Canva for each of those sections of your video and find the appropriate footage. For example, you'd type in Venice, Italy, and then apply the free filter, and then you can use any of this footage over here. Once you're done, go and export it, and just like that, you've got an awesome video uploaded with a similar title that you've got over here that you know already worked for another channel. Try to, of course, change it up a little bit, and where you're asked to write the description, again, model your description on the description of another successful video, but just reword it and make it unique so that you're not plagiarizing someone else's work. If you guys want some more in-depth information about this method, we actually cover all of that inside our training called Jet Video Academy. We've got these 10 modules: intro, equipment, niche selection, channel setup, content creation, uploading videos, making money, YouTube shorts, all of that in detail about how to grow your channel from zero to a successful full-time channel. If you want to get access to the course, just go to contentdough.com, and then once you see this page, enter your name and email and click get instant access. We've got a ton of videos on each of the modules where we're showing everything in a lot of detail. This course comes with a private Facebook coaching group. I've got 690 members in the coaching group now, and this is where we help daily answer any questions. We've got a lot of people who've already been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, so that's really exciting. And if you guys want to learn more about how to grow on YouTube, how to become successful, how to make money in a lot of different ways, then just go to contentdough.com and we might see you inside the course.